Hi, this is Shannon Sarna, editor of the Nosher, and today we're going to be cooking up some classic holiday brisket. Brisket is one of the foods that we get questions about every holiday season. How much do I buy per person? Which cut of meat do I buy? What should I cook it in? And today our host is going to be answering all those questions while using a beautiful brisket from a company called Grow and Behold. Grow and Behold provides glad, kosher, organic meat raised outdoors on pastures, which means healthier and tastier meat for you and your family. I'm so excited to be cooking this beautiful brisket today. While we can't ensure that your holidays are going to be more enjoyable with your family, at least we can ensure that we'll have a great dish. So let's get started and make some brisket. Have it 3 to 4 hours later, you have this beautiful tender brisket swimming in this delicious flavorful sauce, falling apart tender, ready for your family. Look at that, just perfect. So there you have it, perfect brisket, easy, uncomplicated. Happy holidays from the Nosher. Good luck with your brisket, everyone.